Use those muscles, man. Come on.
Oh my god.
Say cheese.
This is video.
Welcome back to our Summer Trip 2021 video series. If this is your first time joining, we first went to Indian Cove in Joshua Tree, did some awesome rock climbing. Then we headed over to Avila Pismo Beach, stayed at a KOA, we did some bike riding to the beach and played in the sand. The girls loved that. We hit up a harvest host at Rancho Not So Grande, did some berry picking, and then now we're at Paicines Ranch. This place was awesome. It's huge, fresh meat that we could purchase. They had some taco buffet bar gathering that night for all the workers and the guests, and the kids had a blast.
Oh, there it is. Oh, we almost missed it.
So are you gonna visit Cameron?
Yeah.
Your butt's dirty. What'd you do to your butt?
I scratched it.
Where are we right now?
California.
It's nice here, huh? You need a boost?
Yes, I do.
I think you're good. Here's your favorite statues.
Hi, guys.
Go right here. There you go.
Hello, Mom. Love ya.
Love ya.
Oh, someone's coming. Get over here. There's Mommy. She's cooking. Yeah. Get your hair out of your face, Daryl. It's chicken, wings, green
Italian
beans.
sausages.
Let's see it. Oh, yeah. Is that Grammy?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Cap. Let's go.
Hello, citizens. I'll save you. Into the rock.
You got me a shell? Oh, you're so sweet. Look at that.
Yeah, you want yours. That's a good one. The top brown part, that's the best way to do it.
Oh, shoot.
No.
There you go. Good job.
Yep.
Going on a bike ride? Yep. Got air in the tires. I tested my bike. Oh, yeah, let's see some of that action.
You almost ready? Let's go. Oh, baby, here we go. Oh, yeah. Go to the left. Wow, there you go. Do it, do it. Use those muscles, man. Come on. Come on, do it. Woo! Push it, man. Woo! And we're about to go downhill. And Caitlin's gonna lead the way. Look both ways. It's safe. We're here at the Ritz-Carlton property. Yep, behind us. Looks like a big mega mansion. It's pretty sweet. Come on, go, push! Push, you got it! Oh, come on!
Oh my god. Okay.
See, James.
This is video.
I know, but I can clip stuff.
Oh.
Oh, this part's cool. Oh no. Go, go, go. Woo! Hey, here we're at the goat and sheep at work farm. Don't touch the fence. There's a bunch. Woo! We're living on the edge, literally. It says, watch the edge. You could fall. Woo! All the way down there. Lead the way. Right? Going around. Here we go. Yes. I'm gonna kill myself, says Caitlin. We're going down this hill. Here we go.
Bye.
Woo.
Hi.
It's a nice view, huh? Do it! Do it! Come on! Boost! On the right! Here we go, leave the truck and trailer at a friend's house. Good riding, guys. Whee! I'm not scaring them. Look, they're not moving. They're just gonna sit right there. Yeah, we're just riding along Foster City, trying to catch up to the sister and mommy. All right, I gotta put my helmet on. I'm getting yelled at. Oh my gosh.
Look at Emily.
Yes, eating some Five Guy fries with Emily.
Keeping it in mama.
Here we go. Camping out in the Walmart parking lot. Willows, California. We're using this as our pit stop on the way to Lassen Volcanoes. Yes, not much going on in this town. There's an airport there, and I think town is that way. But this Walmart's super nice. The parking lot's super nice. The store seems nice, the outside's nice, and the bathrooms are nice too. Conserve your RV tanks. See ya. They only play the best of music here at the Walmart in Willows, California. Rock steady.